The Austin Cell Phone is the best place in Austin to sell your iPhone. My name is Alfonso, and that's Hector.
How's it going, guys?
And we're here to tell you why. So first off, when we give you a quote to sell your iPhone to us, we won't try to bait and switch you. We do everything we can to get you the most amount possible while making the whole process simple. Secondly, you don't have to send your iPhone out to some unknown place and hope you get a check sometime down the future. Also, you can do much more than just sell your iPhone with us. You can trade it out for a completely different phone or use it as bonus cash towards a repair. Lastly, our option's a lot safer and more convenient than trying to sell it on your own. We'll even help you get all your information off and restore your iPhone so that way your data is secure. Now I'm sure you got some questions, so give us a call at 512-432-5528 or just come on by. Our address is 7801 North Lamar Boulevard, Suite B166 here in Austin. Thank you for watching our video. Have a blessed day.